Namaste. Let me introduce you all to our unique product, Ayurveda Home Detox Kit. It is a distant treatment program monitored by our doctors. They initially call you either on the Skype or phone or on WhatsApp and take a detailed consultation about your health. And then every day you do get a call from our doctors once in the morning to guide you regarding the program and at the end of the day to let you know how you need to be prepared for the next day program. And also it is a tailor-made kit which can be done sitting at home with no hassle, because the detox kit which we provide has all the ingredients required for the detox program. Starting from the herbs, food ingredients, everything is in the kit. So you need not be bothered about procuring any items. Doesn't it sound good? Yes, it is a very unique product introduced by Indus Ayurvedic Center, Mysore. I know you'll have more questions regarding this product. Please click the link below to get more details about this product.